Welcome to the maths classes. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the important topic of linear inequalities. We are going to discuss application of linear inequalities. Means now we are having statement type questions. We have to convert them in linear inequalities and solve them. If you see here, one of them is given by find out the pair of odd as you know 1, 3, 5, 7. Means having a gap of 2. Consecutive like 3 and 5. They are different by 2. Integers, both of them are smaller than 10. First of all, we have to choose pair, means group of 2. So first of all, we choose let odd integers are. These are given by first one x. As you know, odd numbers are different by 2. So next one is given by x plus 2. First condition. Both are smaller than 10 means according to question we are having x should be less than 10 and x plus 2 is also less than 10. This is one of the condition given. Next one, sum means total of them is more than 11. We have to find out sum. First integer plus second integer should be more than 11. If you see here x plus x become 2x. Shifting 2 on the other side, sign change. We get 9 on the right hand side. So value of x should be more than 9 by 2 means 4.5. We have to choose a number which is less than 10 but more than 4.5. That is known as integer. So x may be 5, 7 and 9 because x less than 10 it is given. And x plus 2 maybe, if you see here, if you take x as 5, y means x plus 2 7. For 7 we get 9, we get 11. It is given x is less than 10, x plus 2 also less than 10, but it is more than 10. So this value is rejected. So pairs are pairs of odd integers are. First pair 5 and 7. Second pair 7 and 9. This is the answer according to the given statement. Now we are going to start next one. In this we have there is a person name is given by Ravi. He is a student who gets 70 and 75 marks in 2 unit tests. We have to find out the minimum number of marks in the third test he get such that the average of all the tests should be at least word is minimum 60. So first of all, given marks are, these are given by 70 and 70. Third test marks are missing, so we have to assume them first. Let marks of third test. These are the marks we are taking x. Now the word is given average. Average means mean. How can we calculate average? Average is given by sum of marks of test divided by number of tests. It is given at least. At least what means this is the minimum score. Score may be more than 60 or maybe 60. This one here. 3 is in divide on shifting become multiply. It becomes 60 multiplied 3, 1. On the left hand side, if you see 70 plus 75, it is 145 plus 6. Shifting on the right hand side, sign of 145 from plus to minus change. We get here 35. It means the lowest value of x should be 35, otherwise more than 35. We have to give the value of x as lowest value, minimum. So, minimum marks in third test. Minimum marks in third test are 35 will be here. Now we are going to discuss another example here. Example number 3. In this question we are given there is a triangle with 3 different length of measurements. One of them is smaller side. Longest side of a triangle is 3 times the smaller side. And the third side is 2 more than smaller side of a triangle. We have to find out the length of smaller side if the perimeter of a triangle is given by at least 61 units. So first of all we have to take here let smaller side. What is the length of smaller side? We take that as x. Now using the result, longest side it is given by 3 times. Longest side it is given by 3 times smaller side. Now third side of triangle it is given by 2 more than smaller side. 2 more means plus 2, smaller side means x. Now the data is given perimeter. Perimeter means sum of length of boundary, means sum of all the 3 sides. First side is x, second is given by 3x, next is given by x plus 2, should be more than equal to 16. If we see here x, x and 3x, total become 5. Shifting 2 on the right hand side, we get here 61 minus 2, that become 59. Here 5 is in multiply, on shifting become divide. 59 divided by 5, it become approx. 11 5s are 55. 4 balance left. 5 8s means 11.8. More than 11.8, we have to take out side that should be integer. So smaller side, if you see here, it is given by, if you take it as 11.8, it becomes 11.8, triple of 11.8, this way. If we add them, it should be equal to 16. So we are taking more than this one, that is given by 12 units. This is the length of smaller side of triangle in which perimeter is at least 61. Now, another question we are going to take here. The question is related to IQ level of a person. We can say for child also. Here IQ means intelligence level. MA word means mental age, means what is the level of mind of a child. Here CA stands for childhood age, means chronological age. Here the range of IQ, it lies between 80 to 140. We are replacing the value of IQ from here. MA by C. CA means chronological age, means age of a child. Age of a child is given by 12. Replacing it, less than equal to 80. It lies from 80 to 140, means more than equal to 180 but less than equal to 140. Here 80 is less than this side. Now first of all we have to remove 12. So multiply by 12. We remove it. We get this. Now we have to remove 100 from it, so divide by 100. We get this one. Here 100 cancel out. 0 cancel out. 12 8 is 96 divided by 10 means 9.6. Mental age of a child of 12-year-old. 0 cancel out. 12 4s are 48. 4k. 12 and 12 and 4 16 divided by 10 means 0.8. So mental age of a child of 12-year-old lies from 9.6 to 16.8. Now we are going to discuss important question of linear inequalities. We are having how many liters of water will have to be added to a chemical given by 1125 liters having 45% acid in it. So the mixture means new liquid having more than 25% but less than 30% acid content in the liquid. Let water added to the mixture should be x liter. Now chemical is given. Chemical quantity we are having, it is given by 1125 liter. We are indicating here percentage of acid in it on the right side of the quantity. Now new mixture, if we add these two, total quantity of mixture become 1125 plus x, this is in liter. If we see according to question, if we add them, new quantity is given by 1125 plus 6. Acid quantity in new mixture should be more than 25 but less than 60. Means having a range of 25% to 30%. If you see here, this is our first chemical having 45%. Plus water X, as no in a water there is no acid. Because water is drinkable. If it contains acid we cannot drink it. So acid quantity in water is given by 0%. This should be lies between 25% of new mixture to 30% of new mixture. So we apply here range of new mixture from 25% to 30%. If you see here, this quantity becomes 0. So there is no use of it. If you see here, 100 comes in all. So we are cancelling 100 in all of them together. If you see here, open the bracket, it becomes 1125 multiply 25 plus 25 units less than 1125 into 45 less than 1125 into 30 plus 30. If you see here, there are two parts. We can make first pair, we can make second. If you see here, 1125 is equal to 25. On the right hand side, it is 45. So shifting this small dot on the right hand side, we get 25 times x should be less than 1125 is 45 times minus 1125. It is 25. If you see here, this is like a fixed data. It is 45 times minus 25. It means it becomes 20 times. 1125 multiply 20. Here 25 is in multiplication on shifting become divide. 25 1, 25 4 is 100. Balance left out 12. 12 with 5, 125. 25. If we calculate 0, double of 45 become 90. If we see on other side, 1125 multiply 45 is less than 1125 multiply 30 times plus 30 times. Here the data of 1125 45 times on the left hand side, 30 times on the right hand side. This is the bigger side. So shifting on the left, we get 1125 multiply 45 minus 1125 multiply 30 times should be less than 30 times of x. If you see here, this is a fixed data. 45 times minus 30 times, we get here 1125 multiply 15 times. 30 is in multiplication, shifting become divide. Should be less than x. 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja. If you cancel out 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. 1 balance with 2. 2 6 ja. 2 2 ja 4. 1 balance 0.5. It means quantity of x means water area. It should be more than 562.5 but less than 900. So water range should be more than, it is given 562.5 liters but less than, it is given by 900 liter. So the mixture become